Hey guys, this is Ringo Starr here, and today was just a speed build day because we couldn't really do anything else because life. So today I decided to build a giant Kraken. Now I know it looks retarded, it looks like crap. It's a terrible Kraken. But it looks better than the normal Minecraft squids. I feel like they should look like that. Oh, cool. But yeah, so today I actually did a POV speed build because I wanted to see, like, experiment how good it would do, see how it would look. So if you don't like it, then tell me, but if you do like it, then leave a like. And if you want to see more of stuff like this and other Minecraft videos and a bunch of other videos, then subscribe to Addicted to Funny, and we can make more. So this was our giant Kraken. I am Ringo Star 64, and